Are you tired of fighting with clogged airbrushes and messy tools? It's time for a cleaning solution that works as hard as you. Meet US Art Supply's Airbrush Cleaner, a fast-acting, highly effective cleaner designed for all styles of airbrushes. This premium solution makes quick work of water-based paints, acrylics, inks, dyes, and much more. Flesh out colors fast during projects or deep clean after every session. Got a clogged airbrush? No problem. Simply remove the parts, soak them, and let the cleaner penetrate and dissolve dried-on paint effortlessly. It's more than just an airbrush cleaner. Use it to clean paintbrush bristles, artist tools, makeup supplies, and much more. One bottle, endless possibilities. Order yours today and see the difference clean tools can make. Pick up US Art Supply's Airbrush Cleaner today. Enhance your artwork by using cleaner tools. Smash that like button, and please consider subscribing to our channel.